Jain bro, a very happy Independence Day to all the guy. It's a amazing day for all the Indians, and we really know what had happened in 1947. And I think it was the result of our freedom fighters' sacrifices, determination for the country. So, firstly, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and a very happy Independence Day to all of the guy. And today we are celebrating the 79th Independence Day. And today I'm gonna to tell somebody to all of my audience and to all of my people of the Bharat. Today I think it's our opportunity to seek lots of knowledge from our greatest freedom fighters, and we need to learn, we need to adapt things that our forefathers did during India was colonialized by the Britishers. So that time, uh, the Britishers used to oppress our fathers, our forefathers. So, I think brutally that it's ineffable. We can't say in words, bro. We can't express in words. So, today we need to learn about, we need to express, we need to tribute to them. Because of them, we are here to do anything without any hesitation. So, this is why in this day we must not only hoist the flag, not only sing the national anthem, but we should also act, we should also do our responsibility as a citizen of this country. Because I think independence means not to do anything free or without any hesitation. We have to also express, we have to also do whatever we should do as a citizen, as a concerned citizen of this country, so that we can fortify our country from down to top. Because I think we as a citizen of the country, you know if we do anything for our nation, so I think we will be doing same the things that our forefathers did in their lives. So please, I think we've been given this life by our Lord to serve our country, to cater our country, and with morality. So this is why today I'm going to tell you something about our country, so that you can adapt and I can also adapt. So as a citizen, as a responsible citizen of the country, so we've gathered here to celebrate 79th Independence Day. And on this day in 1947, we liberated from the British, from the brutal British. I think it's a sign, it's epitome of sacrifice, dedication, that are great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Khudiram Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and the countless greatest freedom fighters did for us. I think they didn't fight for themselves, they fought for us, they fought for the next generation who will make this country as the proud, as the strongest and the best country in the world. You know, I've already told you that independence doesn't mean to do anything without any hesitation. Not. We have to do anything, so that we have to do anything responsibly, with the responsibility, so that we can do as the best. We can execute one of the best things for our country, so that we can see our country as the greatest in the world. So, I think that's what I wanted to tell you. And we tribute to them who was, who were the who were the peoples of the country to lead this country into independence from the colonialization. And that's what I wanted to tell you in this video. I hope that you must have learned something from this video, and I only want to suggest, only want to request from all of the people of this country that please do not become selfless, become self not, become patriotic person for this country, become a responsible citizen of this country, so that for doing something we should think that it's a interesting for our country or not. Because interesting, because self interest thing can never be reminded. you know if you do anything for your society, then only you will be remembered, and you will be remembered as the great. So please do for your society, not for your own self. So that's what I'm going to end this video. I hope that you must have learned from this video. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bharat Mata ki Jai.